Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. Myself Amit Kumar Wane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to share how to get job in the clinical data management, especially as a fresher. Basically, clinical data management is a good career opportunity. It is a part of the clinical research operation where all the data is integrated and validated. There are a lot of softwares including in the clinical data management like Rave or Oracle or even more than that. Every company has its own software and the like whatever the requirements, according to the requirement, the technical tools are used by any organization. So here your role is a clinical data manager. So first role is get a data from the clinical trials. So there are a lot of clinical trial phases like phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and after all the completing single phase, the all data coming to the clinical data management, they have to validate according to the latest guidelines of the industry and then share to the next department, which is SAS for the programming, and then it is submitted to the regulatory authority. So clinical data management plays a very important role in overall clinical industry, clinical research industry. So if you wish to do a career in the clinical data management, so you should be a pharma graduate, you should be life science student like BSc, MSc, or even you should be a medical science student. So before getting job, you must need to know which are the organization which providing job in the clinical data management. So basically three kind of the companies which are providing jobs in the clinical data management. First company is a manufacturing, you can say sponsored organization like Glenmark, like Cipla, like even AstraZeneca. Okay, so research institute, they are providing the job, Novo Nordisk. Okay, and even some contract research organization. So most of the jobs are in the contract research organization, like you can say LabCorp, then IQVIA, then Paraxel. These and more than that as well, lot of contract research organizations in India. But these, I'm saying, the three organizations providing a high opportunity for the freshers, and even healthcare IT companies like TCS, Cognizant, Accenture. So basically the clinical data management position is very low in the industry, like they are not hiring in the bulk and there are not any walk-in interviews are there. So basically, first of all, you need to know the companies and then accordingly you have to apply. First way to get job is to connect with the company itself. You have to share your resumes to the company in the career portal basically. Second thing, even though there is opportunity or not, you must have to share, because it saves in the company database, and whenever the company has opportunity, company got to know about the database, and then most probable resume should be the shortlisted and they will call you. Okay, next thing is connected with the LinkedIn, connected with the HR, which are available on the LinkedIn of all the most companies which are giving the opportunities in the clinical data management. Okay, so either you will connect, you will you will get notified. Once you get connected in the LinkedIn, you will get notified what are the opportunities are there, what are the companies, which are companies, and what is the current status of the hiring. Okay, next thing, you need to get a reference from your alumni, from the people who are already working in the industry. Okay, these are the some traditional ways. Next thing, you can also get opportunity in the internship. Some internships are there which are 6 months. Maybe it is a paid or unpaid, doesn't matter. You just have to apply, you just have to say, if you are selected, then do it. Okay, because you will get a practical experience. Once you get a practical experience, there are high probability that there are a lot of opportunity after even internship, because you are experienced person now, you are not a fresher now. Can get job in the clinical research coordinator. Okay, so as a CRC, you will get opportunity even 6 months and 1 year, then you can apply to the clinical data management, because you will get information about all the operations and documentation, the guidelines, and then you can apply for the stadium. It is better when you get a job as a CRC. Okay, you will also get promoted internally to the CDM department. That is also a good career opportunity, and that should be also happening. Okay, and next is in the clinical data management. If you are not getting job, even PV you can get job and then apply to the CDM. That is also good. So clinical data management has opening. Okay, but comparatively, if there is no found any opening, you can get job in the aligned, like relatable that domain, and then reapply to the CDM domain. That will be again good opportunity. Okay, so these are the things how you can get job in the CDM as a fresher. This, I hope this should definitely help you for getting job and bring a good career opportunity in the clinical data management. For such more information, if you need more information about clinical data management, we will provide you the certification course in the clinical data management, which is of 3 months, will provide you the domain knowledge, skill development and placement assistance. Yes, so you will get properly knowledgeable, then soft skill development programs, and also we also provide you the placement assistance to each and every student. So for more information about our 3-month online certification course in the clinical data management, call to this number, or in the description I gave all the information. You can go through it. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video content, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to your colleagues and friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, which provide various career opportunities, which provides various career opportunities and certification courses information. That's it from this video. Thank you and happy learning.